Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I believe you still remember my Tensor Art tutorials, right? And in the last episode, we introduced how to train your very first FLUX model in Tensor Art and how to create AI images in Tensor Art by using Creation Tool and also ComfyUI. And in this episode, we are going to explore how to make animations and videos right here in Tensor Art. Okay, let's go. Creating an AI video is not easy. We already have a lot of AI video generators on the market, right? But Tensor Art provides us with a very unique one. So in Tensor Art, we can use text and image to generate a perfect quality video with a single click. And you don't need to install anything. I know it sounds like a miracle, but Tensor Art team just released this functionalities recently. Okay, here we are in the homepage of Tensor Art, and if you don't know, the domain is tensor.art. Let's click the creation. This is a fast way to create with the stable diffusion. If you missed out my last Tensor tutorial, no worries. Let me walk you through very quick. So on our left, we have the panel, which could be complicated if you are a starter, but in fact, it is not complicated at all. So click the models. We are able to select one of the models from the list. Models are very important for AI creation. For example, we can select this one, SD3. And this is what I love about the Tensor. We have recommended parameters we can use. Click the use recommended, and you might want to change the aspect ratio from here. On our right, we have a very important input. So this is where we type all the prompts. For example, I'm typing a birthday cake. And here we can select how many images are we looking for. For example, we can select from 1 to 2 and to 4. Now here I'm selecting 2 and click this bluish and green button and just wait a second. See, not difficult at all, right? We have 2 images that's just generated by AI, so we can click the image. Pretty nice, right? So we have all the parameters we are using on our right, and this is another image. If you don't like the style, you might want to tweak on the models, because all the AI models are trained by the same style images. And also you can add some prompt to describe the style that you are looking for as a prompt input. And what I loved about the Tensor, because we have our records or our historical generations all in this list. So you can download it anytime by clicking this download button. And also you can post this image to the Tensor community. And of course, we can remix it or send it to image, make a video and upscale and do anything with it. This is very convenient. Oh, I hear you. You want to delete it, right? So you can click this trash bin icon to delete your generation. And if people created too many artworks, they can also click here to have a different view. So we have a list and we have the columns. Alright, even if you are first to the AI tool, I think you now know how to generate images by Tensor, right? Okay, let's go to the next level. Tensor just updated the video generation. This is a sensational moment for us because now we can create a video and keep the high quality of the generation all in Tensor. This is amazing. Let's try it out. Text to video button here. So let's click here. And we are able to select from the one of the 7 models. So my choice go with this Hunyuan video. Hunyuan is a tremendous AI model nowadays. It went viral because the functionalities. Let's click here, select. What we can tweak in the parameters. SPS is critical to the video, right? But we can tweak this duration. So if you want a longer video, you can tweak here. And basically, we only have 1 second and 2 seconds and also maximum 3 seconds. And we can change the resolution here. And also we can type the seeds. So let's still use a birthday cake, but this time in cartoon style. And let's click the generate. Oh, what we have here, let's check it out, the result. Wow, this is so nice. I think we can just decorate it a little bit and we can upload to TikTok. We can download this video by click this button. What about if we want a realistic style? So let's change the prompt and change the duration to 3 seconds and click the generate. We have our realistic birthday cake. Well, check it out, the candles and strawberries. I think this is pretty nice already, and we managed it to the 3 seconds. What if I want the whole cake to spin, to rotate itself? Click the generate. Perfectly, we have the spin cake. This one's like homemade cake, right? Okay, so we can download this video. And maybe let's try something else. Let's try. All right, let's change the aspect ratio and click the generate. Okay, we have our result with the Hunyuan. I think the results are quite cute. We have this little baby practicing Kung Fu because this time I changed the time to the 1 second, so it's a little bit short. So if you want a longer video, you can tweak the duration. All right, let's create something unique. And the duration to 3 seconds and click the generate. Okay, we have our results. Let's check it out. Well, amazing. I like the quality, and I think this, well, I think you basically cannot judge whether this is from AI or just reality. Hunyuan is so amazing, and Tensor gave us a way to get approach to this AI model. I wonder what about the other models here. So let's try this one. Okay, we have our result. I think you can see the difference between each models, but this model can generate maximum 6 seconds. Alright, let's test the image to video, and we can upload our image from here. After upload our image, and let's select one of the AI models that can help us. I'm gonna use the first one, and let's type the prompt. Okay, let's click the generate. Check this out, we have the negative prompt generated by Tensor. It's very nice. Click the generate button. Oh, we have our result. Let's check it out. I think this is the best quality we ever get, right? Wow, so smooth and very natural. The pixels are perfectly reserved. Oh, I think with Tensor we can make movies and animations, of course, and we can download from here. And you need to remember this model, ComfyUI X 1.5. So next time, if you want to make your image animated, you can use this model. Alright, let's try another one. This time I generate a warrior. Let's try to animate it. Basically, all we need to tweak is the prompt. Click the generate button. Oh, we have our results. Let's check it out. I feels like this is a clip from a movie, right? I love all the details in this clip. What are you waiting for? Just animate all the stuff in your computer. And with the help of the editor, I think you will make your very first AI movie. Okay, now I think this is all for the Tensor Art video generation. If you have any questions, don't be hesitate to leave your comments in the comment zone. And don't forget to subscribe us and click the like button. And also check out the link in the description. I think you will be surprised. Congratulations, you finished this episode. And don't forget to subscribe us and please click the like button. Also leave all your questions inside of our comment zone. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.